Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT device. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games, as you can see friends. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Let's see which phone can actually open these applications and games faster. So right now I'm trying to clear everything from the background RAM management. As you can see, there's nothing in the background RAM management, and both phones I'll try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network only at this point. And in the OnePlus Nord 2, I did turn on the high performance mode. As you can see, high performance mode is turned on in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update. So both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz, as you can see, same kind of transfer link speed, so nothing much difference. So now everything clear from the background, that's good to go. Let's start with the first application, which is the Amazon application. Let's see the Amazon application. And everything is clean, and let's start with Amazon first. So it did open slightly faster in the Poco F3 GT, just a little bit, but not much. I'm trying to keep something in the background in the RAM management just to show you how it performs. No issues, not much. And Play Store, Instagram, slightly faster in the OnePlus Nord 2. And let's start the game, Subway Surf. I think the first phone to load Subway Surf is the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Just a little bit, just a few milliseconds, not much difference, just a few milliseconds only difference is there between both phones. And next is the Temple Run. Let's see the Temple Run, what will happen. Temple Run also no issues, both are doing really great job in terms of loading speeds. That's pretty good. And next is the Battlegrounds Mobile. Let's see what happens with the Battlegrounds Mobile. So in this Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay as well, I think the Poco F3 GT slightly faster, maybe just a little bit, but not much, I think so. As you can see friends, so both phones were able to open at the same time, not much difference is there. Next is a FIFA. Let's see FIFA, what happens with the FIFA game. So my main point, I'll try to concentrate on the background RAM management. So which phone will be able to store more games and more applications in the background RAM management. That is what I'm going to exactly. First phone to open is the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see. Then in the Poco F3 GT, I got the message, not bad. So the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to open slightly faster than the Poco F3 GT. If you observe in this kind of speed test and everything, few of the games and few of the applications slightly got faster in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's good. After the recent software update, I think so, maybe that is what it got affected. So that is the reason I need to do intense kind of testing to find out all these kind of small changes, what has happened in the phone. So that's why I do need some time. So just maybe 1 day or 2 days to demonstrate this kind of testings and all the problems and to find out all the issues. So right now both phones did open the Call of Duty game fast, no problem. And next, all these 5 games and 5 applications are completely in the background RAM management, as you can see friends. It's going to be really interesting test. Let's start with the last game, which is a Call of Duty, opening one by one. Not bad. So once after I go to the first application, again I'll come back. So then we'll be able to check what is happening, whether the last applications are actually remaining in the background RAM management or not. So 5 games, no issues. The OnePlus Nord 2 closed the Subway Surf game, as you can see. That's kind of strange. And next is Instagram. Let's see the Instagram application, whether this can be in the memory or not. As you can see, Instagram 1, 2, 3. Instagram is there, perfect, no reload, nothing. Next is Google Play Store, 1, 2, 3, perfect, same page is there, no issues. And next is Chrome, yes, 1, 2, 3. Chrome got loaded in the Poco F3 GT. Flipkart, no problem, it did keep the mobiles page exactly. And finally is Amazon. In the Amazon, I did keep the electronics page, as you can see in the Poco F3 GT, even in the both phones, but this OnePlus Nord 2 did went back to the home screen as well again, as you can see friends clearly. So in terms of the random speed test, let's see what will happen with the random speed test. Let's come back with the last. Yes, both phones did have these games, no problem. The FIFA game got closed in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. You can clearly see that what is happening here. And Battlegrounds Mobile game got closed again in the OnePlus Nord 2. So Temple Run also got closed, but Poco F3 GT was able to maintain all this in the background RAM management, as you can see friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I think this kind of realistic way to check the RAM management using the applicants and games combination. I'll try to do this kind of more frequent as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.